Explorer GT. Man, they got $1 million cars floating around here like they're giving them away. What? This is a Cobra.
Yes, sir. 1965 Shelby Cobra replica.
Oh my, what is this? Supercharged. Oh my God, what have you done here? Look at the exhaust. Downforce like a funny car.
Correct. You know, loud pipes save lives, so this one ought to save a lot of lives out there. We kind of wanted the whole 2020 supercar theme, but the old hot rod body.
So let's talk about power. Everybody knows the four Cobras came with a lot of power.
Correct.
Is that 351?
It's 351 base small block Ford, 427 cubic inches. But I think the supercharger and the little bells and whistles kind of, you know, adds a little different touch to it, because as it sits, we're at 900.
That's what I wanted to know.
937 horsepower to the tires with 24 pounds of boost. And I'm just, you know, a real humble guy. I wanted to build something over the top, but not be the flashy fella.
This ain't humble.
But crazy horsepower, crazy technology, the best of everything.
So I see we got cameras instead of mirrors.
That's correct. This is our rear view mirror.
So wait a minute.
With the power deck lid, so once you come down into the drive.
So we got push button power. This is crazy.
And of course, when we turn our left blinker on, you get everything basically down the whole left side of the car, and the same thing on the right, correct? Other than the side cameras, we also have the forward-facing camera.
Yo, you thought of everything. This is something different, for sure. Oh my God!
There you go.
Yo, that's like a funny car. This is unreal.